Hi guys, my name is Gregor Simkowski. I'm the product specialist for XPression. Today we're going to be looking at how we can use Dashboard to integrate with XPression. So the three pieces that we're going to be looking at today are XPression Studio, which I have open here. So this is what has our XPression project in it. The next thing we're going to be looking at is XPression Data Link, which is how we're going to be getting values from Dashboard into XPression. And of course, finally, we're going to be using Dashboard to create our panel. So before we get started creating anything, I wanted to show you guys the panel that we're going to be building and some of the skills that we're going to be using today. So I'm using Dashboard 9, and inside of my panel, I've created an XPression desktop preview client. And what this is going to do is this is going to generate a preview for whatever item is in focus in our XPression sequencer. So as I move focus in my XPression sequencer, you can see that we're getting a new preview generated in our desktop preview client in Dashboard. So once we've created that desktop preview client, the next thing we're going to do is create some buttons to take specific take items online. And we're going to do that by creating a set of buttons to take our score bug online and offline. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to create some buttons to move where the focus bar is in our XPression sequencer, and then we're going to create some buttons to take that item online and to clear everything off of frame buffer 1. The final exercise we're going to do today is we're going to create some parameters in Dashboard, and we're going to link those to our objects in XPression. So what we've done is we've created a timer, and we've data linked that to the score bug time in our XPression scene. We have the option to stop, reset, and start the timer. And then we've created some parameters to control the home and away score. And we can see that we've data linked those to our XPression scene as well. And we've created buttons to increment the score.